Mark has booked a business trip to Singapore, so Sam adds it to his list of travel plans. The night before the travel, Sam sends Mark the weather forecast. It's predicted to rain quite a lot, so Mark knows to pack his umbrella. A few hours before his flight, Sam asks Mark if he needs transport to the airport in case he hasn't already arranged it. Sam calculates both the estimated time and cost of the travel options. Needing a taxi, Sam connects Mark with the local service, an approved supplier of his organisation. As soon as Mark lands in Singapore, Sam directs him to baggage claim number 3 so he can grab his bags and get out of the airport. Sam again offers Mark a car to the hotel he booked. Mark can always request a local ride from inside his itinerary. Sam also provides a guide on Singapore, containing useful info on orientation from the airport, local transport, currency, restaurants, and even sightseeing, should he have some spare time. After a good night's sleep, he's back in business meetings. Noticing that traffic is extremely heavy, Sam warns Mark that he would need to leave within 30 minutes to get to his flight. Sam asks if he wants a car called, and Mark confirms instantly. Soon, Sam will be able to help Mark rearrange his travel plans to search for alternative options while still in his meetings. Options within his company travel policy that he can book discreetly at the touch of a button. Knowing travel plans can be complex, Sam also offers a direct line to his team via phone, and coming soon via a handy chat feature. On the way home, Mark can even use his integrated expense provider to upload receipted expenses. Sam keeps on working behind the scenes, proactively supporting Mark wherever he goes, for instance by sending him reminders. Sam is also getting prepared to handle traveller queries and bookings through direct chat, using a combination of latest AI technology and live agent support. This is both within Sam's own specific app and also on all major chat platforms too. Mark will therefore be able to message Sam on, say, Facebook Messenger, just as he would his own friends. Should an event occur while Mark is away, Sam can know Mark's location and whether he might be affected. Sam can send a real-time alert to Mark. This helps to ensure that he's always being looked after wherever he is in the world. Sam is smart and wants to be your pocket travel assistant.